Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We just got in a 74 Dodge Dart, so we're going to start it up here for you. Oh, haven't even checked it over yet, so. There's somebody with a wore out pickup that thinks he's got a hot rod. Right blinker works. My left blinker isn't working. No horn. Stereo works. Yep, so there's some leads blew out, so you can see the heater fan works that way. I think the wiper, yeah, that side over there needs some linkage work, but it works on one side. So now we're gonna, here you can see the roof coming open, so that works. That was before they had electric roofs. So we got the lights on, you can kind of see the dash lights working since it's dusk right now. It runs nice and smooth, sounds good. Questions 605-695-7391.